Well, the dozer's down. I was playing with it out in the mud about 2 weeks ago, and the switch went out. I don't know if you can see it. Turn the light on here. See if you can see it. But the way I had it connected is that my servos operated a switch that controlled my motors here. And just like the real car, the window switch went out. So that's probably one reason why they still make this particular model, is that they do go out. So it's time to replace this. It's time to upgrade. Get rid of all this mechanical drive type stuff, and we're gonna go digital and get rid of the servos. So what I got here is a dual motor speed controller, and basically on this end you plug in your battery, your positive and negative, then you hit one motor over here, positive and negative, and then the other motor over here. Then on the other side, you from your receiver you plug it into I got the manual here to figure out exactly. Also got something here. It's going to plug right into my receiver, and plug in my linear actuators to it so I can control my blade. So how I control this, I was very resourceful and took the remote unit off of this ATV winch, and I rigged it up inside here, which is this box down here. Then have that wired directly up to my linear actuators, and I just threw the button on the back of it here. So it was very simple, up and down, and you see, you let go of it, it just keeps going for 1 second. So it wasn't very reliable, so we're gonna replace that. Well, we got everything out. There's a mess in there. There's most of the old wiring harness there, the old switch here. Maybe I'll put that back together. I mean, it's still good, it still works. Even took out the little battery. So another thing I'm gonna do is I got some gears on order, so I'm gonna gear this up a little bit, get a little bit more torque, and probably clean up these motors a little bit. Pretty filthy. So, alright, let's start building here.